The Import Validator is a tool that allows users to validate data files before importing them into the CellGate system. It helps identify and correct errors in import files to ensure smooth data imports. Accessing the Import Validator. There are 3 ways to access the Import Validator. Go directly to importvalidator.zapopen.com and log in. From the User Portal, for account admins and authorized users, log into the User Portal. Click on Manage Call Group, then click Import Validator. From the Management Portal, for dealer users, log into the Management Portal. Click Validator tool in the left menu. Using the Import Validator. To download a template, click Standard Template. Choose Voice or Video Template. Use facility code templates only if instructed. Then, fill out the template with your data. To upload and validate your file, click Choose File and select your completed template. Then, click Start Validation. You can review your results by seeing the number of successful and failed records. Click Export Results File to download the detailed error report. To make corrections, open the results file. Review the errors in the leftmost column and make any needed corrections. Be sure to delete the error column before re-uploading. To revalidate your corrected file, upload the corrected file and run the validation again. Repeat uploading and validating your file, reviewing results, and making corrections until your errors are resolved. Accessing previous results. Your last validation results will be available for 7 days or until your next validation. Click Export Results on the main page to access your most recent results file. Templates. 4 template options are available: Voice Standard, Video Standard, Voice Facility Code, and Video Facility Code. Use the standard templates unless instructed to use the facility code templates. Tips. The group code determines what validation rules are applied to each row. Standard group codes enable full validation. Custom group codes only validate for basic issues like unique emails and IDs. Make corrections in the results file, then delete the error column before re-uploading. If you encounter any issues, contact CellGate customer support for assistance. Support agents can access your recent import and results files to help troubleshoot.